Good morning, good morning. It's Monday, students. We need to start a new week with our work. And today's activity will be even numbers and odd numbers. So our objective is that we can differentiate between even and odd numbers. So a few characteristics about even numbers. 1. A number which is divisible by 2 and has a remainder of 0 is called an even number. Now, what is the word divisible? The word divisible means that it can be divided by 2. Right? It can be divided by 2. So, for example, if I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divisible means that I'll make groups of 2. Look at it here. And then I have a remainder of 0. But here it's not a 0. So if we put one more, then yes, then this number, which is 6, will be an even number. Okay. Another characteristic: all the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, or 6 and 8 are even numbers. What does that mean? For example, numbers such as 14, 26, 32, and 40 and 88 are even numbers. Now here, if you don't want to count your sticks, you look at the ending of the number. For example, the ones place value. Look, the 4 is here. How is this number ending? With a 6. The 6 is here. If it ends with a 2, I know it's an even number. If it ends with a 0, I know it's an even number. If it ends with an 8, I know it's an even number. So, one more practice. If I give you the number 1246, then I will go to the ending of the number here. And I'm going to look, how does that number end? It ends with a 6. So that number will be called an even number. Because imagine if you go and count all these sticks and divide by 2, or do your division to check it. So by looking at the ending, we can know if it's an even number. I guess that you know what even numbers are now. Let us go to odd numbers. What are odd numbers then? 1. An odd number is a number which is not, look at the word here that I'm going to circle, not divisible by 2. And we know divisible means that it cannot be divided, right? The remainder indicates of an odd number is always 1. So if we take this over here, 2, 3, 5, if we divide by 2, then we're going to have this remainder of 1. So we can reword this as well. And that number is a number which, when divided by 2, gives a remainder of 1, which is the same thing, right? All the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. Look at the endings for the odd numbers now. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For example, numbers such as 11 here is ending with a 1, which is here. Numbers such as 23, look at the ending 3 here. It's ending with a 3, so it's an odd number. So I just come and look at the ending of the number. It's a 5, so we have a odd number there. This is ending with a 7, so I have an odd number there. So if we do a number line, students, we count 1, we count 2 there, sorry. If we put 1, 2, 3, 4, we put 5 at the top, put 6 at the bottom, I put 7 at the top, I put 8 at the bottom, and I put 9 at the top. And then we know that the 0 goes here, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the top numbers will be the odd numbers, and the bottom numbers will be the even numbers. Okay students, since we know the difference between even and odd numbers, we go to the practice work. Let us do some practice work. Let us practice then. So I have a set of numbers here. Let us see if you people can help me complete this table here. Where will these numbers go? 25. Will you count your sticks? Will you count 25 sticks? No, we go back to this. Look at the ending. Oh, this one is ending with a 5. Is it even? Oh, it's here. So it's gonna be a odd number. 25 will be an odd number. 32. So I just look at the ending. 32, 2, 2, 2, 2. Where's the 2? Here is the 2. So 32 is an even number. The 8, ending with an 8. 8 is here. So 38 is also an even number. Who can help me with 87? Who can help me with 87? Yes, 87. Where will it go? I look at the ending again. Oh, it's here. So 87 will be an odd number. 95 will be an odd number. And you know why I put it here? Because I need to know that it's a 5. And a 5 ends, if it ends with a 5, it's an odd number. 64. Even number? 444. Yes, it's an even number. What about the 76? We look at the ending and we go back. Where is the 6? Here is the 6, so it's also an even number, 76. And then 53 ends with a 3, so I believe 53 is an odd number. So I go and check it back. Yes, here it is. So students, there you have your practice. Now you'll go to your package on page 5. You're gonna follow these instructions there. It says tell whether the numbers are odd or even, then find the answer. Is the answer odd or even? So I have an example here. Now we're going to look at this 6. Remember, is this 6? So you're going to say that 6 is an even, so I put even here. Then I put my subtraction sign and I go to the 1. What is the 1? Oh, the 1 is an odd number. So 6 take away 1 gives me 5. Right? So I say 5 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. So the same thing you will do for this one. So you will go, what is the 7? You're gonna write it here. Then the minus sign, what is the 4? You're gonna write if it's an odd or an even. So 7 take away 4 gives you, put your answer here. And what answer is this? The answer that you get here, you're going to say if it is an even, and you're going to write, if it's an even, you're going to write even there, and if it's an odd, you're going to write odd there. Okay, I hope that this information has helped you understand the difference between odd and even numbers. Students, I will also be posting these on Teams so that you can look at it. Okay, and remember to always give us a call if you have a question.